Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I'm feeling peaceful today, thank you. I went for a quiet walk this morning. No music, no phone, just me and the trees. Very, very nice. And you, Jake?
I'm okay, but honestly, not my best day, Judy.
Oh no, what happened?
Last night, I was on my phone, looking at social media, and everyone looked so happy, so successful. Their English was perfect. Their lives were perfect. Everything was perfect.
And how did that make you feel?
Small, like I'm not good enough, like everyone is doing better than me.
Jake, I think many of our listeners feel this way sometimes.
Really? It's not just me?
It's not just you, and that's exactly our topic today.
Oh? What are we talking about?
Today, we're talking about loving yourself and why you are enough, just the way you are.
Loving myself? That sounds hard.
It can be hard, but it's very, very important. And today, we're going to learn how. But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. Jake, let me ask you something.
Sure.
When you make a mistake in English, what do you say to yourself inside your head?
Honestly, I say things like, Jake, you're so stupid. Why can't you remember this word?
That's a very strong word, stupid.
I know, but that's what the voice in my head says. It's like a mean little person living in my brain.
A mean little person. That's a good way to describe it. Now, imagine something different. Imagine your best friend is learning English, and they make the same mistake. What do you say to them?
Oh, that's easy. I say, hey, don't worry. It's just one word. You're doing great. Keep trying.
See the difference?
Wow, that's completely different.
We're kind to our friends. We're patient with our friends. But we're so hard on ourselves.
Why do we do that?
Many people believe that being hard on yourself makes you better. They think the mean voice helps them improve.
I thought that too.
But it doesn't work that way. The mean voice doesn't help you grow. It makes you afraid. It makes you want to stop trying.
That's true. Sometimes I make a mistake at work, and then I don't want to speak English. Not for the rest of the day. I just want to be quiet.
You want to hide.
Yes, hide. That's exactly the right word.
And that's the problem. The mean voice doesn't push you forward. It pushes you into a corner. But here's something I want you to remember. Something very important. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You are enough, just the way you are.
You are enough, just the way you are.
You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be the best. You just need to be you. And you're wonderful.
I think I needed to hear that today.
And today, I want to share 3 secrets with you. 3 ways to love yourself more. 3 ways to be kinder to yourself.
3 secrets. Let's go.
So our first secret is called change the words.
Change the words. What does that mean?
The words you say to yourself inside your head, they matter a lot. When you make a mistake, you say, I'm stupid, right?
Right, every time.
But you can change those words. Instead of I'm stupid, you can say, I'm learning.
I'm learning.
Yes, I'm stupid means I can never do this. I'm not smart enough. But I'm learning means I'm not perfect yet, but I'm getting better.
Oh, those 2 sentences feel so different.
They are. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're at work. You're in a meeting, you try to explain something in English, and you forget a word. You stop, your face gets red, and the mean voice says,
Everyone is looking at you. You sound terrible. You don't belong here.
Ouch, that's very painful.
It really is.
But what if the kind voice says, It's okay, I forgot one word. That's normal. I'm still learning, and I'll try again.
The kind voice doesn't hurt.
No. And here's something amazing. The kind voice helps you try again. The mean voice makes you stop. So which voice helps you learn faster?
The kind voice.
Exactly. Think of your brain like a plant. If you put a plant in the dark and shout at it, it won't grow.
You can shout at a plant?
Some people do, but it doesn't help. Now, if you give the plant sunshine and water, it grows tall and strong.
And kind words are like sunshine?
Yes, kind words are sunshine for your brain. Mean words are like putting your brain in a dark room.
Sunshine, not darkness. I want to give my brain sunshine.
Let me tell you something. Last week, I was cooking dinner. I tried a new recipe, and it was terrible. The vegetables were too soft, the sauce was too salty, everything was wrong.
What did you do?
My first thought was, Judy, you can't even cook a simple meal. But then I stopped and I changed the words. I said, okay, this recipe was new. I'll try again next time and I'll use less salt.
And that felt better?
So much better. I didn't feel bad about myself. I just learned something new. Less salt next time.
Less salt, that's the lesson.
So next time you make a mistake, stop. Listen to the voice and change the words. Not I'm stupid, say I'm learning. Not I can't do this, say I'll try again.
Let me try right now. Yesterday, I said I goed to the store. Wrong grammar. And my brain said, you're terrible at English.
Okay, change the words.
My new words, I made a small mistake. The correct word is went. Now I know. I'm learning.
That was perfect, Jake. See, you already changed the words.
It feels like taking off a heavy backpack.
A heavy backpack. I love that picture. Yes, the mean voice is heavy. The kind voice is light.
Heavy off, light on. Got it.
Now, here comes our second secret, and this one is very, very important for many people.
Tell me.
Accept your own speed.
My own speed?
Yes, everyone learns at a different speed. Everyone lives at a different speed, and that's completely okay.
But Judy, I always compare myself to other people. On social media, I see people who learned English in 6 months. 6 months! And I've been studying for 2 years.
And how does that make you feel?
Like a turtle, a very slow turtle.
But Jake, turtles are wonderful.
They are?
Do you know the story of the turtle and the rabbit?
The turtle wins the race, right?
Yes, the turtle is slow, the rabbit is fast, but the turtle never stops, and the turtle wins. Speed isn't the most important thing. Moving forward is.
Moving forward.
Let me ask you something. You like to run in the park sometimes, right?
Well, I try to run. I'm very slow.
And what happens when a fast runner passes you?
My brain says, look at that person. So fast, so strong. And you're so slow. Why do you even try?
That mean voice again.
It follows me everywhere.
But Jake, think about this. You're in the park. You're running, moving your body, breathing fresh air, and many people are sitting at home on the sofa.
The sofa is very comfortable, though.
True, but you chose to go outside. You chose to move. That takes courage.
Courage?
Courage means being brave, even when it's hard. You don't need to be the fastest runner. You just need to be running at your speed.
At my speed?
And your speed is perfect for you. A flower doesn't look at another flower and say, you're taller than me, I'm a bad flower. No, every flower blooms in its own time.
I'm a flower that blooms in my own time.
A beautiful flower. And remember, you are enough, just the way you are.
You are enough. I want to put that on my wall.
You can. This is true for everything. Your English, your career, your body, your life. Stop comparing yourself to others. Start accepting yourself.
Stop comparing, start accepting. I like that.
Next time you see someone on social media, remember this. You're only seeing one picture, one moment. You don't see their bad days. You don't see their mistakes. Everyone has them.
Everyone has bad days, even the people who look perfect.
Especially them.
I never thought about that.
And finally, our third and last secret.
The last one?
Yes, and maybe the most powerful one.
I'm listening.
Be your own friend.
Be my own friend? What does that mean?
It means talk to yourself like you talk to your best friend, not like you talk to your enemy.
My enemy?
Yes, right now, the voice in your head sounds like an enemy. You're not good enough. You're too slow. You're not smart. That's not a friend. That's a bully.
A bully? Bully means a person who is mean to others?
Yes, a bully. And nobody should have a bully, not even from their own brain.
So how do I become my own friend?
Every day, say one kind thing to yourself. Just one. That's all.
One kind thing.
Yes, like, I did a good job today, or I'm proud of myself, or I worked hard and I deserve rest.
Deserve.
Deserve means it should be yours. You worked hard, so rest should be yours.
I deserve rest. That feels strange, like talking to a stranger.
It feels strange because you never do it, but if you do it every day, it becomes natural.
Like learning English?
Exactly like learning English. Practice makes it natural.
Okay, but Judy, give me a real example from life.
Sure, imagine this. You come home after a very long day at work. You're tired. You open the door and your apartment is messy. Dishes in the sink, clothes on the chair, a cup on the table from this morning.
That sounds like my apartment right now.
And your brain says,
Why can't you keep your place clean? You're so lazy. What's wrong with you?
but what if you said this instead? I worked hard all day. I'm tired, and that's okay. I'll clean tomorrow. Tonight, I rest.
Oh, that's so much better. I feel lighter already.
Because you're being kind to yourself. You're not lazy, Jake. You're tired. There's a big difference between lazy and tired.
Tired, not lazy. Wow, I never thought about it that way.
And here's something you can do. Every night before you sleep, say one kind thing about your day. I tried my best today. I spoke English at work. I was nervous, but I did it. I helped a friend today. I went for a walk.
One kind thing before I sleep.
Yes. Let me show you. Jake, close your eyes.
Right now?
Yes, close your eyes and think about today. What's one good thing you did?
I woke up early and I practiced English for 20 minutes before work.
That's wonderful. Now say it to yourself. I'm proud of myself. I practiced English this morning.
I'm proud of myself. I practiced English this morning.
How does that feel?
Actually, really nice. Like a warm blanket.
A warm blanket. That's what loving yourself feels like. Warm and safe. You can do this every night. It takes 30 seconds.
30 seconds? That's all?
That's all. But those 30 seconds change everything. It's a very small thing, but small things are powerful.
Like one drop of water every day.
And after many days?
A river.
A river. That's beautiful, Jake. You are enough, just the way you are, and you deserve kindness, especially from yourself.
You are enough, just the way you are. I'm gonna remember that.
So let's look at all 3 secrets together. First, change the words. When you make a mistake, don't say, I'm stupid. Say, I'm learning. Give your brain sunshine, not darkness.
Change the words. Sunshine for my brain.
Next up, accept your own speed. Don't compare yourself to others. Your speed is perfect for you. Every flower blooms in its own time.
Accept my own speed. I'm a flower.
And the last secret, be your own friend. Say one kind thing to yourself every day. Talk to yourself like you talk to someone you love.
Be my own friend. One kind thing every day.
And to everyone listening right now, this is for you too. You are strong, you are brave, and you are enough.
We believe in you.
And through all of this, remember one thing.
You are enough.
Just the way you are. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about loving yourself and why you are enough.
Yes, first, change the words. Say, I'm learning instead of I'm stupid.
Good. And accept your own speed. Don't compare yourself to other people.
And be your own friend. Say one kind thing to yourself every day.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
And I loved sharing this with you. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
Give this episode a like.
And share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what is one kind thing you can say to yourself today?
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.